Hey there, quick video for you. If you have the dishwasher whirlpool and you're gonna have the error F8-E4, what do you need to do? Bottom dishwasher, you're gonna have this part here. And what you need to actually do is that you need to check the drip tray. This is the drip tray here. When you're gonna open it from the bottom, there you're gonna have this part here. And you are probably gonna have leaking here somewhere. And what you need to do is you need to tighten the connections and you need to take this part out. You're just gonna take it out. It's going to look like this, and then you just need to let it dry, right? So I'm gonna drain the water from the drip tray and test the dishwasher to ensure the problem is resolved. And this is how we're gonna do it, because the issue with it is that it's related to water detection or flow, especially leak or an issue with the water level system. And this is how we're gonna actually fix the issue. So I just want to make this like really quick video for you how you can do it, and have a great day and goodbye.